I would say inspirational, leaders in what is quite a complex area, and collaborative.
Essential, impactful and forward-thinking.
Influential and accountable.
Empowering, supportive and proactive.
Food Sense Wales really take time to sort of think quite deeply about the challenges facing the food system and really starting to think, how can we really make a difference here? How can we be most impactful at a national level and add value to what's happening locally as well?
Diwylliant, cenedlaethau'r dyfodol a partneriaethau.
Innovative, ambitious, strong.
Food Sense Wales have just given a real sense of being connected, not just working in silos or in isolation. They're really coming together to see how Wales can be a pioneer for food systems across the world.
Has really strong leadership and is able to bring us all together with a collective vision and give a cohesive approach to all of our work and hold those threads and draw them out of each of the partnerships.
And Food Sense Wales is really the reason that Welsh Government, I think, is leading in this area, and it's so exciting to be in Wales now and be part of this movement that's really pushing this forward.
Anol bydde cryfderau fi'n teimlo y tîm lan yn Gaerdydd I helpu tynnu popeth at ei gilydd.
Hugely compassionate and visionary.
Empathy, collaboration and network.
Supportive, guidance and kind.
Collaboration, sharing and hopefulness.